Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to view all invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. This is incredibly useful when you need a complete overview of your billing history, whether you're tracking payments, reviewing outstanding balances, or simply keeping your financial records organized. Let's walk through how to access and customize this view. First, you'll want to navigate to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Sales. This section is your central hub for all customer transactions and billing activities in QuickBooks. Once you're in the sales area, look at the top of the page where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Invoices tab. This brings up your invoice management screen where you can view and filter all your customer invoices. Now, above your invoice list, you'll notice a status filter dropdown. This filter is key to controlling what invoices appear on your screen. By default, it might only show certain statuses like unpaid or overdue. Click on this dropdown and select All from the options. This ensures you're viewing invoices of every status, whether they're paid, unpaid, or overdue, giving you the complete picture of your billing activity. Right next to the status filter, you'll find the date filter. Click on it and set the date range to all dates. This step is crucial because it removes any time restrictions on what invoices are displayed. Without this, you might only be seeing recent invoices and missing older records that could be important for your review. If you want to customize what information is displayed, look for the gear icon near the top of the invoice list. This is your settings option for the view. Click on it and you can add or remove columns such as balance or due date to show exactly the details you need at a glance. This customization makes it easier to spot the information that matters most to your workflow. Now you can scroll through the complete list of all your invoices. To organize them more effectively, click on the column header labeled No. This sorts your invoices by invoice number, making it much easier to review them in a logical order. If you need to examine any invoice in detail, simply click on the invoice number itself. This opens the full invoice where you can view all the line items, customer information, and payment history. This process gives you complete control over viewing and managing all your QuickBooks invoices in one centralized location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.